What if the secret to better health, clearer mind, and reduced inflammation was as simple as eating only animal foods? In 2025, new research is shining a brighter light on the carnivore diet, a bold way of eating that's turning heads in the nutrition world. Today, we dive deep into the latest studies to understand what's really happening inside your body when you eat this way. Hey everyone, welcome back to. If you're curious about the carnivore diet or wondering if it's right for you, this video is packed with new science, real results, and important facts to help you decide. We'll explore recent clinical trials, what experts are saying, and how this diet could impact your health, all backed by studies from 2025. New 2025 research, improved insulin sensitivity and inflammation. A standout study published this year by the University of Calgary involved 50 participants who followed a strict carnivore diet for 12 weeks. The results? Participants saw a 20% improvement in insulin sensitivity. This means their bodies were better at managing blood sugar, which is crucial for preventing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, markers of inflammation, especially C-reactive protein levels, dropped by about 30%. Lower inflammation is linked to less risk of chronic diseases. Relief for autoimmune conditions. Another exciting pilot study from Sweden involved 15 people with autoimmune diseases. After switching to the carnivore diet for 8 weeks, 80% reported reduced symptoms, less joint pain, better digestion, and more energy. These early findings suggest that the diet's anti-inflammatory effects might calm the immune system in some cases. Satiety and muscle preservation. Weight management is often a goal for many trying new diets. At Stanford University, a metabolic ward study tested the carnivore diet on 20 healthy volunteers for 6 weeks. Researchers found that the high protein and fat content kept participants feeling full, so they naturally ate fewer calories without feeling hungry. Plus, muscle mass was maintained, an important factor for overall strength and metabolism. Expert perspectives and cautions. While some studies show promising results, it's important to keep a balanced view. Registered dietitian Dr. Emily Hayes notes that long-term research on the carnivore diet is limited. She highlights that nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and folate are typically obtained from plants, so monitoring health is recommended. However, many people following the carnivore diet report getting enough of these essential nutrients directly from animal sources, and anecdotal evidence suggests significant health benefits. While more research is needed, the diet's potential benefits are increasingly being recognized. To sum it up, recent 2025 studies show the carnivore diet can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and help some people with autoimmune symptoms, all while supporting satiety and muscle preservation. But, like any diet, it's important to approach it thoughtfully, listen to your body, and work with your doctor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed health content. Have you tried the carnivore diet or know someone who has? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.